Everyone thinks the best-selling blender for crushing ice is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Ninja Fit Compact Blender. First up, we have the Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender. Priced at around $54.99, this one caught my eye with its sleek design and the promise of quick smoothies on the go. If you want a compact blender that gets the job done without taking up too much space, this is worth a serious look. So here's why this blender stands out for crushing ice. It packs a punch with a 700-watt motor that powers through ice and frozen fruits, ideal for smoothies or milkshakes. The nutrient extraction feature helps you blend even the tougher parts of fruits and veggies, so you're getting all those hidden vitamins. Plus, it comes with two 16-ounce cups, making it perfect for those busy mornings. With a 4.7-star rating from over 42,000 reviews, people really seem to love it. Now, some people complained about the plastic blades not being as durable as stainless steel. Here's the thing though, for everyday home use, the performance is impressive, and this blender is still a solid choice for anyone looking for convenience and portability. This is perfect for you if you want a compact and affordable blender for personal use. Skip this one if you need something for larger batches, but for under $55, it offers great value. Product number 2, Ninja Nutri Plus Blender. Next up is the Ninja Nutri Plus Personal Blender, retailing for about $89.99. This one caught my attention with its 900 peak watt power, a step up from the last one. If you're serious about your smoothies and want something that can handle more, this is definitely worth your time. The 900 watts deliver a significant boost, allowing it to crush ice and blend whole fruits and vegetables effortlessly. The Pro Extractor blades easily break down tough ingredients, ensuring you're getting maximum nutrient extraction. With 3 20-ounce to-go cups, you can whip up smoothies for both you and a friend. It's a great option if you're always on the move. With a 4.6-star rating from over 5,700 reviews, it's clear people appreciate the extra power. However, some users mentioned that the cups can feel a bit flimsy. I'll be real with you, while they might not be the sturdiest, the blender's performance more than makes up for it. If you're careful, you'll enjoy a great blend every time. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable, powerful blender that can keep up with your active lifestyle. Skip this if you need a larger capacity for family servings, but at under $90, it's a solid investment. Product number 3, Ninja Professional Blender. Now let's talk about the Ninja Professional Blender, priced at $99. This model really stands out with its impressive 1,000 watts of power. If you want something that can handle bigger jobs and crush ice like a champ, this is worth checking out. The 72-ounce pitcher allows you to make large batches, perfect for family gatherings or parties. Its total crushing technology means it can turn ice into snow in seconds, blending everything into a silky smooth consistency. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. With a 4.6-star rating from over 57,000 reviews, this blender has earned its spot as a favorite. But some users felt it was a bit bulky for smaller kitchens. Here's my take: if you have the counter space, it's a powerhouse that can handle anything you throw at it, making it an excellent choice for serious cooks. This is perfect for you if you love entertaining or making big batches of smoothies. Skip this if you need something compact for solo use, but the price is justified for the performance. Product number 4, Ninja Professional Blender 2. Next on our list is the Ninja Professional Blender 2, coming in at $109.99. This model ups the ante with a powerful 1,200-watt motor. If you want ultimate control over your blending, this one deserves a close look. What's great about the Auto IQ technology is that it takes the guesswork out of blending by offering preset modes. This means you can just press a button and let it do its thing, whether you're crushing ice or making smoothies. The XL capacity is perfect for family-sized servings, and the total crushing blades ensure everything is blended to perfection. With a 4.7-star rating from 2,000 reviews, this blender is quite popular. The downside: some users found the noise to be a bit much. Look, that's a common trait with high-power blenders, but the performance you get is well worth it, especially for those who prioritize power and efficiency. This is perfect for you if you want a high-performance blender with smart technology. Skip this if you're sensitive to noise, but it's a solid investment for larger families or frequent entertainers. Product number 5, Sanken Personal Smoothie Blender. Last on the list is the Sanken 1000W Personal Smoothie Blender, priced at $47.69. This model caught my attention because it offers great value for those on a budget. If you want something that can still crush ice effectively without breaking the bank, this is worth considering. The 1000-watt motor is powerful enough to handle ice, frozen fruits, and even nuts. It comes with 3 BPA free-to-go cups, making it easy to blend and take your drinks wherever you need to go. The upgraded 6-leaf blade is designed for smoother blending, which is a plus for making silky smoothies or baby food. With a 4.6-star rating from nearly 900 reviews, it's clear that it's a favorite among budget-conscious buyers. However, some users mention the cups could be a bit small for larger servings. Here's the thing though, for most individuals, these sizes are just right, and if you're blending for 1 or 2, it's a perfect fit. This is perfect for you if you need a compact blender for personal use or are just starting your blending journey. Skip this if you frequently make larger servings, but at under $50, it's an excellent value. So to quickly recap, we've covered the Ninja Fit Compact for personal use, the Ninja Nutri Plus for extra power on the go, the Ninja Professional for family size, the Ninja Professional 2 for tech-savvy users, and the budget-friendly Sanken. Each of these has its unique strengths, so pick the one that fits your needs best.